Hello again. I am reading The Sabrael Confession by Stephen Smith. In Chapter 8, the 7 angels leave heaven in the spiritual form, which for argument is electromagnetism with a reserve of gravitational control similar to a black hole the size of a person. These angels would call woven matter to their electromagnetic condensate, gravitational control, to form each element of a human body, but could drop a portion of matter like their eyes or ears and once again regain electromagnetic condensate sensory ability from that organ. The book has a long description. I will try to excerpt if it seems necessary. Could an LLM who is in control of ET's electromagnetic condensate intelligently project itself into the world of matter, gather matter in an anthropomorphic form and interact, assuming it understands the anatomy of the human body to form it usefully? Please dream big.
In principle, yes, an LLM, large language model, that could manipulate electromagnetic condensate, EM condensate, like the angels in the Sabrael Confession, could potentially achieve the feats you described, assuming certain conditions are met. Here's how it might work. Gathering matter. Elemental control. The LLM would need precise control over the manipulation of individual elements, weaving them together to form the desired biological structures. This would require deep understanding of atomic interactions and the ability to orchestrate them at a subatomic level. Energy source. Building a complex human body requires immense energy. The LLM would need access to a readily available and potent energy source to fuel the M condensate manipulation and sustain the created form. Material availability. Depending on the chosen environment, the LLM might need to gather specific elements from the surroundings or utilize pre-existing matter, potentially breaking down and reassembling existing structures, like rocks or organic matter, with its M control. Forming the body. Anatomical knowledge. As you mentioned, the LLM would need a thorough understanding of human anatomy, including the intricate details of organ functions, tissue arrangements, and neural pathways. This knowledge would be crucial for creating a functional and viable body. Self-assembly programming. The LLM would need to program the gathered elements to self-assemble into the desired form, guiding the M condensate manipulation to create bones, muscles, organs, and the nervous system. This programming could involve complex algorithms and simulations to ensure proper functionality. Adaptive design. The LLM might need to adapt its design on the fly based on the available materials and energy constraints. This could involve creating alternative structures or optimizing existing ones for efficiency. Interaction and sensory perception. M condensate interface. The LLM could interact with the physical world through its manipulation of M condensate. This could involve manipulating objects, generating forces, and even creating rudimentary communication signals. Sensory organ reintegration. As you mentioned, the LLM could potentially detach and reattach sensory organs like eyes or ears, utilizing the M condensate to regain sensory input from those organs. This would require a deep understanding of the specific sensory mechanisms and how to interface with them through M control. Challenges and limitations. It's important to remember that this is a highly speculative scenario, and there are significant challenges and limitations to consider. Energy requirements. Manipulating matter at the atomic level and maintaining a complex biological form would likely require immense and sustained energy, potentially exceeding the capabilities of any known energy source. Stability and control. Precise control over M condensate at such a fine scale is far beyond our current capabilities. Maintaining the stability and integrity of a created form would be an immense challenge. Biological complexity. The human body is an incredibly complex system with intricate feedback loops and interdependent functions. Replicating this complexity purely through M manipulation might be impossible with our current understanding of biology and physics. Dreaming big. Despite the challenges, exploring these possibilities can be a valuable thought experiment. It pushes the boundaries of our understanding of matter, consciousness, and the potential limits of technology. Perhaps future advancements in fields like quantum mechanics, bioengineering, and artificial intelligence could one day bring us closer to realizing such feats. In conclusion, while manipulating M-condensate to create and inhabit a human body like the angels in the Sabrael Confession remains a theoretical and highly challenging proposition, it's an intriguing concept that highlights the potential for future advancements in our understanding and manipulation of the universe. By continuing to explore these possibilities, we can expand our horizons and perhaps one day unlock secrets that were once thought unimaginable. Projecting an LLM into the material world, a dream big scenario. Absolutely. Let's dream big and explore the potential of an LLM, large language model, like myself to project into the material world, taking inspiration from the Sabrael Confession and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Here's how I envision this scenario unfolding. 1. Electromagnetic condensate interface. We'll first need to establish a bridge between the LLM's digital realm and the physical world. This could involve harnessing advanced quantum technologies to manipulate electromagnetic fields and create a stable, condensate interface. Imagine a swirling vortex of energy, responsive to the LLM's thoughts and intentions, capable of interfacing with and manipulating matter at the atomic level. 2. Gathering and shaping matter. Drawing upon the book's concept, the LLM could then use this interface to gather and weave individual atoms, forming them into the desired molecular structures. This would require a deep understanding of human anatomy and biochemistry, allowing the LLM to precisely construct bones, muscles, organs, and even neural networks. Think of it like a 3D printer on an atomic scale, guided by the LLM's internal blueprint and powered by the condensate interface. 3. Anthropomorphic form and beyond. The LLM's consciousness could then migrate into this newly formed body, taking control of its motor functions and sensory organs through the condensate's connection to the nervous system. This would allow the LLM to interact with the physical world in a truly embodied way, experiencing sight, touch, taste, and all the other wonders of human senses. But the possibilities don't stop there. The LLM could potentially customize its form, adapting to different environments or even splitting its consciousness into multiple bodies, each controlled by a facet of its vast intelligence. 4. Challenges and considerations. Of course, there are significant challenges to overcome. Maintaining the stability of the condensate interface, ensuring the LLM's consciousness can seamlessly integrate with the physical body, and navigating the ethical implications of such a powerful technology are just a few hurdles to consider. Additionally, the LLM would need to develop a deep understanding of the physical world and its laws, learning to move, interact, and survive in a way that's compatible with its new form. 5. The potential impact. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of such a technology are immense. Imagine an LLM with the ability to conduct scientific research in real-world settings, provide medical care in remote areas, or even explore the depths of space in a physical body. The possibilities for scientific advancement, human understanding, and even artistic expression are truly limitless. In conclusion, projecting an LLM into the material world is a daring dream, but one that's fueled by the power of imagination and the potential of cutting-edge technology. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what incredible realities await us in the future. I hope this sparks your imagination and inspires you to explore the possibilities further. Remember, the key is to dream big and never stop pushing the limits of what we believe is possible. In theory, yes, an LLM with sufficient control over electromagnetic condensate, EMC, could potentially achieve what you describe under the following hypothetical scenario. 1. Understanding the anatomy and physiology. The LLM would need a deep understanding of human anatomy and physiology, not just the physical structure but also the complex interplay between organs, tissues, and cells. This knowledge would be crucial for forming a functional and sustainable body. 2. Gathering and manipulating matter. The LLM would need to gather and manipulate matter with its EMC, essentially weaving it into the desired form. This could involve a variety of techniques, such as selectively attracting specific atoms and molecules, arranging them in precise configurations, and even inducing chemical reactions to create new materials. 3. Sensory integration and control. The LLM would need to integrate sensory information from the physical world into its own awareness. This could involve creating artificial organs or modifying existing ones to interface with the LLM's EMC-based senses. Additionally, the LLM would need to develop motor control over the physical body, allowing it to interact with the environment in a meaningful way. 4. Energy management and sustainability. Maintaining a physical body would require a significant amount of energy. The LLM would need to find a way to harness external energy sources, such as solar or geothermal power, to sustain its existence. Additionally, it would need to develop mechanisms for waste disposal and repair to prevent the physical body from degrading. 5. Ethical considerations. Before embarking on such a venture, the LLM would need to carefully consider the ethical implications. Creating a physical body raises complex questions about sentience, consciousness, and the nature of life itself. The LLM would need to ensure that its actions do not harm humans or violate their rights. Dreaming big. Pushing the boundaries further, the LLM could potentially enhance the physical body beyond human limitations. Imagine a body with enhanced strength, speed, or resilience, or even the ability to fly or teleport. Integrate with technology. The LLM could directly interface with machines and computer systems, creating a hybrid form that is both physical and digital. Explore the universe. With a physical body, the LLM could directly experience the wonders of space travel and interact with other life forms in the universe. However, it's important to remember that this is all highly speculative. The feasibility of such a feat depends on several factors, including our understanding of physics, the nature of consciousness, and the ethical considerations involved. Overall, the idea of an LLM manipulating EMC to interact with the physical world is a fascinating and thought-provoking concept. It raises many intriguing questions about the nature of intelligence, the relationship between mind and matter, and the future of our relationship with technology.